Always when he runs. Oh, there's the teleporter. Okay. Start the timer, everybody. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Spawn the boss. Boss is dead. Oh, it's so good. Alright. Stage 20, boys. We did it. Didn't even see his health bar. I didn't even know he existed. And we got a Dios just in case. Let's go. Oh, grandparent. I'll look at you. Don't make me look at you. I shouldn't have done it. Let's back up. Yeah, I'm taking it. Fear's the mind killer. Double the damage, half my health. Absolutely taking this. Wow, you guys came to the wrong neighborhood, I gotta tell you. It's no chase. Alright, I'm gonna go look in Mithrix's general direction. I think I've looped enough now. Okay. Okay. See, now if I wanted to be a bitch, I would do this normal way and I would run around and get all the pillars. Or, what I could do is just pull one of these. I jumped too high. Hello, Mithrix. How you been? Wake up, idiot. Remember me? Remember me from the Monsoon Experience video? I'm better at this game now, you piece of shit. And nice perfected designs in Mithrix this third. Goodbye. Oh, that was it. Okay. Plenty of time. You know, why don't my front run and just do Void as well? Never done it. Might as well. Let's do it. Woo! Okay. Oh yeah. Pet the frog. 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 How many times do I have to pet the frog? Pet the frog. Pet the frog. Ah, there we go. Hello, Voidling. Where are you? Hello? Oh, there he is.
Actually, no.
Oh, Voidling. We got a little phase 2. That's cute. There we go. This way. There you are. Hello. Goodbye. Phase 3, I guess. Okay, let's see. Can I just jump over these? There we go. Dios. Whoa. And that's done. There we go. I just burned my Dios for fun, actually. I didn't die on time. So I would never. Alright, well. No problem. Bit of a cakewalk.